Hello, hello, hello. This is the Vanilla JavaScript podcast. I'm Chris Ferdinandi. Thanks so much for joining me. Today, I'm talking about imposter syndrome, becoming a senior developer, and what makes someone a good developer. Now, before we get started, I wanted to mention that I just opened up registration for the next session of the Vanilla JS Academy, my project-based online JavaScript training program for beginners. The program starts on October 14th, and it's been completely redesigned based on user feedback and my observations about how people learn best. From right now until Sunday, you can get 40% off of registration. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Head over to vanillajsacademy.com to learn more. Now, on to today's show. So recently, I've gotten a handful of emails from readers telling me things like, I don't think I'm a very good developer, or I'm starting to wonder if I even belong here. And today, I wanted to tell you that you might not be a very good developer today, but you do belong here and you will get better. The developers that you look up to constantly fuck up in ways both big and small. So one of my early kind of developer heroes or like people that I looked up to is Jake Archibald. He's a senior developer at Google. He knows more about how browsers parse and render content than anybody I've ever met. He's a performance expert. I saw him talk at an event apart where he talked about getting below 1 second render times. And it was a really, really interesting talk that got me excited about performance on the web for the first time and really kind of kicked off a lot of my path into vanilla JavaScript and some other things. This week he tweeted out this awesome screw up that he made, writing, "Today on Jake Can't Code, I did some stuff with dates and time zones, which worked fine, but then..." And in his original code, he's got this variable of formatted time where he is checking to see if minutes are greater than 12. If they are, he's setting a value of AM, and if they're not, he's setting a value of PM. And if it doesn't immediately jump out at you as to what's quite wrong there, or what the mistake is, he's checking to see if minutes is greater than 12, and then setting it to AM. But 12 or later should be PM, not AM. He's got them reversed. So then he shared the corrected code where it says if minutes is greater than or equal to 12, use PM, otherwise use AM. So he thought that was a mistake. And then Alex Boxhall pointed out that the AM PM thing is based on hours, not minutes. When Jake shared his screw up, he actually didn't even catch that one. He was just catching the like greater than 12 PM AM thing. According to Jake, this one even made it past a code review. So he's not the only one who looked at the code and said, yep, this is fine. It's really easy to think that once you get good enough as a developer that you stop making stupid mistakes like this, but you don't. The bugs that give me the hardest time are typos, misnamed variables, and forgetting to return values. They're all rookie mistakes, but you never stop making them. Jake has been doing this a lot longer than I have. He's a much better developer than I have, and he makes mistakes like this all the time. And he's really cool and candid about sharing them, which I think is really good. It helps people who are just learning, people who are just starting out realize that, it's okay to be human, and it's okay to make mistakes like this. Never feel like you're not good enough. You belong here, and our community is really lucky to have you in it. So if you're ever feeling discouraged about kind of where you are in your developer journey, or like you just don't get it, or you're not learning fast enough, don't. This career path is an awesome one. I'm really glad you're on this journey. So that's it for today. If you want to really master JavaScript, don't forget to check out the Vanilla JS Academy at vanillajsacademy.com. Program starts on October 14th. Registration is open now. And until this Sunday, you can save 40% using the code EARLYBIRD at checkout. So head over to vanillajsacademy.com to learn all about this completely redesigned program. I think you're going to love it. That's it for today. See you next time. Cheers.